Guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to share your contact from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. So let's get started. So for example guys, I want to send Android phone contact to my iPhone. I am going to show you 2 or 3 methods to do this guys. So first is you can use the same Google account on Android and iPhone. To do this guys, first you need to sync your all contact to your Google account on your Android phone. So just open your Android phone settings, scroll down and find out account and backup, tap on it and tap on manage account. From here you need to select your Google account. If you don't sign in your Google account, you need to sign in it, okay, and then tap on sync account, and from here you need to enable the contact syncing option. That's it. Now close the Android phone settings. You need to open your phone settings on your iPhone, okay. In the iPhone, scroll down and find out contact option. Open the contact app like this, go to contact account. From here you need to tap on add account, and same you need to log in your Google account on your iPhone which you are using in your Android phone. After login, it will automatically sync your all contact of your Android phone in your iPhone. So same method you can try to transfer your all contact from iPhone to Android using the Google account. But now guys, if you don't want to use the Google account, so you can try the next method. For example, again, if you want to send your contact from Android to iPhone without using any cloud syncing option, you can try this method, okay. So you can use the WhatsApp or any other social media app to do this. So first you need to open the contact application on your phone and you need to select your all contact, okay, like this. After selecting, here you can get the option share option. Just tap on it. From here you can get the option like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, messages, everything. So you can also share this file from Send Anywhere. So Send Anywhere is the best option. So just need to download and install the Send Anywhere on your both iPhone and Android phone. If you don't have, you can download and install it. So without using social media app, you can easily able to transfer files from iPhone to Android and Android to iPhone, okay. So this is the easiest method. So guys, one more thing you can try guys. So you can also create a YCX file of your contact list. Open the contact app, go to your contact settings, okay, and here you can get the option export to file. So just you need to select this. So just select your file location where you want to save, just save it on your phone, and same file you can transfer it to your iPhone as well by using WhatsApp or using any other sharing app. So this is also very nice method. Same thing, if you want to create VCF file on your iPhone for your contact, open the contact app, select your contact, and here you can get the option share, okay. So just you need to select this, and from here you can easily able to select AirDrop, messages, Send Anywhere, WhatsApp, and other social media app from here. So this is some easy and very simple method to transfer contact between iPhone and Android phone. So hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more useful tech videos. Thanks for watching.